It is the single most high-stakes moment in residential construction. You are standing in a prospective client's kitchen, you've discussed their vision, and then they ask the inevitable question, what will it actually cost? For decades, the standard response has been to take that number out of the room. You head back to the office, pull out the architectural plans, and spend days doing unpaid manual takeoffs while wrestling with fragmented spreadsheets. This delay creates what we call the contractor squeeze. If you try to guess fast and price the job too high, you lose the project to a competitor. If you price it too low, you win the bid but lose money during execution. HomeEstimator.ai keeps the number in the room. It delivers a line-itemed, profit-protected estimate in about 10 minutes without a single architectural drawing. Preliminary estimating is no longer a slow, unpaid guessing game. It is a rapid, controlled business decision you make on day one. This intake dashboard shows how the process begins with the real building. Instead of manual measurements, you use plain language selections to define the property, immediately establishing structural constraints for styles like a Cape Cod. While your client is thinking about their renovation in terms of rooms, this interface is automatically translating those choices into a comprehensive contractor scope. It calculates specific allowances and exact cabinet configurations on the fly. Behind these choices are 254 field-derived rules firing in real time. If a client selects insulation, the system instantly triggers all the necessary dependent trades, automatically adding the drywall, paint, and debris removal required to finish the work. Because the dependency logic is built directly into the workflow, it catches the missed scope items that routinely erode profit margins before a job even breaks ground. And that scope is priced using a deterministic back-end engine built from over $150 million in delivered projects. There are no generic national averages and no AI hallucinating the costs. This pricing view presents the project across 5 distinct service levels. By showing the financial spread between a baseline change order nightmare execution and a white glove elite build, you qualify the prospect with a safe ballpark range up front. You establish budget reality immediately, reserving the exact protected quote for when they are actually ready to close. This schedule interface demonstrates how the confirmed scope functions as a complete operating plan. The system uses the estimate data to instantly generate the project timeline, payment milestones, and a clear cash flow schedule. By presenting a tiered, transparent proposal on day one, you build immediate trust with the homeowner, and you stop wasting hours on leads who simply do not have the budget. While the client gets a clear, branded proposal, you get something entirely different. The platform cleanly separates the shared homeowner experience from your private, owner-level business controls. This Profitability Command Center dashboard tracks the financial health of the project in real time. You can monitor your gross margin, daily profit yield, and ensure the active rule engines are defending your strict minimum profit floor. This financial analyst screen enables bounded negotiation. It shows you exactly how much room we'll have to offer a discount, explicitly warning you before you ever breach your minimum floor. The system also protects you from the calendar. A 5-layer pricing freeze and start date inflation adjustments guarantee that a contract signed today will not silently lose value when supplier catalogs update 6 months from now. This metrics page highlights the operational impact from the founder's own construction company. By replacing manual guesswork with a controlled system, they reduced estimating labor from 326 hours to just 45 hours per 100 leads, closing 8 times more deals. Turn the stress of preliminary estimating into a repeatable, profitable system. Scope clearly, price confidently, build profitably. Book a